Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for West Central Brunswick County in southeastern North Carolina, South Central Columbus County in southeastern North Carolina, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Bug Hill, or 14 miles north of Little River, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: expects damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This dangerous storm will be near Old Dock, Crusoe Island, and Freeland around 6 p.m. Exum around 6:05 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.